Typewriter carriages are going the way of the one-horse shay if this new electric machine proves its worth. Not only is the movable carriage gone, but movable type bars as well, for a revolving drum that travels across the paper takes its place. Shed a tier 2, if you will, for the ink ribbon, replaced by a cartridge. The type fonts, there are 6 available, are quickly changed. Faster than you can type, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. The sphere-shaped element containing all of the conventional characters whirls across the page. Now, if they'd only come up with a typewriter that could spell.